name is Namibia. I'm a taxi driver at Window. I'm here to listen what they're telling us about Santesa. We are ready to give what they'll give us.
With taxis being one of the greatest consumers of petrol in Namibia, the petroleum giants came to the industry's aid in the fight against COVID-19 by donating sanitizers and face masks to use during their daily operations. The Minister of Mines and Energy at the launch applauded the petroleum giants for the initiative and urged the taxi drivers to adhere to the COVID-19 regulations.
Like most sectors of the economies, the transport industry, specifically the taxi industry, has obviously been affected by the COVID-19 because of the measures that were taken, very painful measures, but unfortunately those measures were very necessary for us to be able to curb the spread of the virus, which is quite a good sign that the measures have worked. But we should also not relax or lower our guard, simply not because the numbers are lower. I think we should continue to adhere to the health protocols that has been continually being advised by the government through the Minister of Health, to make sure that we wash our hands, to make sure that we wear our masks, to make sure that we social distance ourselves in ways not necessary. So those are the things we should still continue to do, and not to lower our guard simply because of the numbers that are going down.
Emmanuel Mulunga, Managing Director of NAMCO, said that although the industry is tight, they had to come together in support of taxis to make sure that the industry continues to operate even with COVID-19 that impacted the economy negatively.
There comes a time when we are faced with a pandemic like this. All of us have to come together as an industry and actually cooperate in something. And this is one of those occasions. We have been called upon by our nation to come to the aid of our loyal customers, the taxi drivers, and obviously the commuters, to help with this taxi sanitizing campaign. All our companies that are represented here basically agreed to help us. We know that the COVID-19 epidemic is not yet over. We've seen in many areas of the world where the second wave is basically coming. The taxi industry is one of the largest segments that we sell to. They transport the largest part of our population on a daily basis. So it gives us great pleasure really to be associated with this campaign.
The face masks and sanitizers will be distributed at different taxi ranks across Windhoek until the 15th of December 2020.